Toyota has revealed the updated 2027 Sequoia, introducing a sharper exterior design, upgraded in-vehicle technology, and a factory-equipped Trailhunter package based on the Sequoia SR5, intended for drivers interested in overlanding and extended travel beyond paved roads. Trailhunter-equipped models receive Michelin LTX Trail tires, an upgraded Old Man Emu suspension, front recovery hooks, and additional underbody protection. Toyota also includes multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential to improve traction and vehicle control on difficult surfaces. Bronze-colored wheels and Trailhunter-specific badging distinguish the package visually from other Sequoia configurations. The addition gives buyers a factory-built adventure option alongside the more performance-focused TRD Pro grade. In terms of design, Toyota has reworked the Sequoia's front-end styling around a stronger horizontal theme. Updated grille and bumper treatments are designed to give the SUV a wider, more stable appearance, while rectangular fog lights have been integrated into the front bumper. Selected grades will also receive revised chrome detailing, intended to provide a more contemporary premium look. A brighter grille-mounted LED light bar and available rigid fog lights increase illumination for nighttime driving and off-road use. Although the changes do not constitute an entirely new generation, they give the Sequoia a more distinctive face while preserving the upright proportions and truck-inspired styling associated with the current model. Inside, every 2027 Sequoia will come with a 14-inch display running the latest generation of Toyota's audio multimedia system. The interface introduces a customizable home screen with smartphone-style widgets, faster responses from the Hey Toyota voice assistant, and connectivity through AT&T's 5G network. A built-in drive recorder dash cam will also be standard. When activated, the system can use the SUV's exterior cameras to record 20-second video clips following manually selected or automatically triggered events. Enhanced digital key functionality will allow compatible phones to lock, unlock, start, and operate the vehicle through native Apple, Google, or Samsung digital wallet applications. Owners will be able to share access with as many as 5 additional drivers. Toyota says near-field communication can preserve vehicle access for a limited period, even when the connected device has no remaining battery charge. The Sequoia will also continue to offer a 2.4 kilowatt inverter, providing electrical power for camping equipment, tailgating accessories, and other devices. The 2027 model will be equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense. The system includes a pre-collision function with pedestrian detection, full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assistance, lane centering support, automatic high beams, road sign recognition, and proactive driving assist. Toyota says the latest version incorporates updated hardware and improved detection capabilities. Toyota plans to offer the 2027 Sequoia in SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, and Capstone grades. The Trailhunter equipment will be available as a package rather than being listed as a separate trim level. Guys, what do you think about the new Toyota? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.